It's got houses there. It's got all this stuff. By the end of the day, you only had to sleep in a room at once and blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Just thought you should hear it.
Ujokono's house, which is one of the best houses in Asaba, I bought it. Nobody is there. Everything in that house is bulletproof. Yes. I bought it there. It's there in Asaba. Not stay there one day. You want to know my house in Asaba? Yes. Go to Lagos and see my house. I own a house in Maitama, not just Maitama, where the big boys live in this country. I own a mansion there. I have more than 5 or 6 houses, not in 6 in Abuja. I have in Lagos, I have in Port Harcourt, I have in London, but I was in one room. Does it make any sense to you? Yes. No. Do you get the sense? Yes. With all these things, I was in one room. I'm not going to live with mother for so that is the vanity of life.
Our dear mother, the wife of the late President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President Muhammad Buhari. I'm sorry. Your Excellency.
Yeah, that one is the governor of